So in front of me I've got Eonobuds. In this video I'll show you buttons controls. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here we've got left earbud, right here we've got right earbud. To play or pause, double tap on either earbud. To skip forward, triple tap on right earbud. To skip backwards, triple tap on left earbud. To increase volume, single tap on right earbud. To decrease volume, single tap on left earbud. To activate Google Assistant or Siri, tap and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud. To answer or end the call, double tap on either earbud. To hang up the call, long tap for 2 seconds on either earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.